Are you the type of guy or girl who's always late to training because you can't wrap your hands in time?
Find out why you need these Beast Gear wraps.
What is going on, guys? This is Dylan.
And this is Eli.
And we're the Muay Thai Bros. So in this channel, we're gonna speak everything Muay Thai, review all the different types of Muay Thai gear, and any other Muay Thai questions you might not have. So please like and subscribe and
comment down below on anything you want Muay Thai based, any reviews, any information, or any questions you guys have for us.
So please like and subscribe if you're interested in that sort of content.
What do we have here today, Dylan?
Okay, so we have Beast Gear Gel Mitts. And Beast Gear is a really up and coming UK based combat sports brand. They don't do actually anything like gloves or shin guards, but it's predominantly like accessories. So they'll do wraps, like such as these. They'll do skipping ropes.
Yeah, they've got
mouth
one of the leading skipping ropes on the market, right?
So what they are is, I'm not gonna lie, to this day, I can't really wrap my hands. So this is the lazy man's answer to hand wraps. So all you have to do, the reason we speak about being late is I know, you know, in our gym, there's countless amount of people, you might have a partner and then they're still wrapping their hands during the warm up and you think, come on bro, like, you know what I mean, we're wasting our time now.
And if you're training and if it's taking you 5 minutes to wrap your hands and you're training 5 days a week, that's 25 minutes.
25 minutes every week that you're gonna lose because you haven't wrapped your hands.
Of course, and who wants to lose 25 minutes of Muay Thai time? That is insanity.
You know what I mean? It's insanity. And these, like, you know, it's just so simple. Like, you know, usually they'll be 4 to 5 feet. It's just this, and all you have to do is you just put it on, wrap your hands, no effort. And I've used this a lot. I actually have 2 pairs and I have no shakes, no nothing. The gel really protects your hands well. The stitching's well done, and I can't fault them. They protect your hands. That's what you want in hand wraps, no? You want your hands to be protected. Because when you wrap your hands wrong, you know, you might be typing the keyboard and you're spazzing out like that because your hands aren't protected enough.
Of course.
But these, I'm just gonna straight up buy this. If you're interested in, if you don't want to wrap your hands, and even if you do wrap your hands and sometimes you're running late for work, you're coming on the tube or what have you, you can just slap these on, wrap them in, you know, 5 seconds and you're done.
Of course. All right. So, price versus quality. So Dylan, first off, can you let us know how much you bought these for?
I bought these for around, on Amazon, they're a little bit under £10 right now. And if you buy 2, you get 5% discount.
Okay, so they're giving you that little bargain there, you know, try and get as many stock sales as possible. So £10, are you gonna compare that to the average 4.5 meter wraps, which I would say they kind of, you know,
they're comparable.
They're comparable.
They're comparable, yeah.
So how much would an average 4.5 meter wrap cost you? About that same price, you reckon?
It's roughly about that. We're actually going to review, if you want to take a look or a review of Beast Gear 4.5 wraps.
Yeah.
So basically,
look in the video above.
Look in the video below. We're going to review both of them. But yeah, they're comparable. Like, I honestly, out of 5, how would I rate? 5. Because they do everything you want. Like my other one, these are my more fresher pair. My other one, the stitching is coming apart a little bit, but bearing in mind, I'm using this every day.
Every day.
Because hand wraps, as you know, unlike the head guards, you're using them every day. That's why you want to have, how many hand wraps would you recommend you have?
Me personally, I know,
you're
a bit of a nitty for Muay Thai, so I've got about 25
kid.
pairs of hand wraps. But
for a normal person, maybe 2 at least?
Yeah, 2 to start off with, I think it's a good number. I mean, you can get different brands, have different packaging. You can get 3 packs, 5 packs, 10 packs if you want, but 2 would be good to start.
Because you always want to have, ideally, you don't want to be that smelly guy in the gym.
Of course,
like
bad boy.
No, not even that, like just not clean the wraps, boy.
Okay.
So if you're clinching and you can smell that, you know what I mean?
You don't want to be leaving
them
in your bag and then, you know, letting the smell fester in there. That's not something you want to be doing. Next thing we're going to talk about is the aesthetic. So,
aesthetics,
talk to me about that, Dylan. What do they look like? How do you feel about the design? Can they change it? Can they improve it?
That's the one thing. Obviously, we all love Beast Gear on this channel, but the one caveat I have with their products is their design options are not too common.
Limited,
right? Yeah. Limited. This is only the design they have for their wraps, and I think this is because they're independent company in the UK, sell predominantly on Amazon, so they don't have a lot of, you know, they don't have a lot of power to create new aesthetics, to create new designs. Maybe blue or black, maybe pink, which have you. But which we have here, simple black. The Beast Gear logo is a gorilla going. We have black stitching, black here and yellow. What can I say? Like it's
simple, right?
It's simple and effective.
It's not something you want to be too flagrant with a hand wrap. You want it to be, you know, just functionable, right? Yeah, and that's what it does here.
That's everything it does. And one thing I really like about Beast Gear products is they come in a bag. So I'll show the bag in a minute, but all Beast Gear products come in a bag which you can close up, and other wraps, they don't have that.
How long will these last you? How long have you had them? How long do you expect to get out of them?
This is my second pair, and I bought this pair like maybe 4 or 5 months ago, and I bought my first pair maybe 6 or 7 months ago. And what I can say is the durability, it lasts a long time. Like, of course, the stitching on my other pair has gone a little bit, but that's daily use, and that's to be expected in hand wraps. But I'd reckon, I'd honestly, maybe a year of constant use. But the thing about hand wraps is, what point is it, like, even the stitching's coming apart, what point is it unusable? It's a bit of a grey area.
Until they fall off your hand, right?
Until they fall off your hand, completely off your hand, and they don't offer the protection that you need hand wraps, that's when you don't use them. But for me, this is daily use. Obviously, you can see here, these are my fresher ones. The stitching's coming off a bit, but nothing too noticeable. I still think I have a long time. And what can I say? I think Beast Gear's proven quality